How to verify leads inside Instantly.ai. Step 1. From your Instantly.ai dashboard, click on the Leads tab. Here's where all your uploaded contacts are stored. Step 2. You can upload a new list of leads using a CSV file or choose an existing list you've already imported. Step 3. Next, click the Verify Leads button. Instantly will start checking each email to confirm if it's valid and safe to send. This process only takes a few minutes depending on your list size. Step 4. Once done, you'll see which emails are valid, invalid, or risky. I recommend removing invalid and risky emails to protect your sender reputation. Step 5. After cleaning up, save your verified list. Now, you're ready to use only the highest quality leads in your campaigns. So that's it.